You just saw a deal with a 70% or even 90% discount at Tractor Supply and thought you hit the jackpot. The reality is, you might have just paid more than you thought without even realizing it. The scariest thing is not the deals that are clearly scams, but rather the deals that seem completely reasonable, even very good deals. Many people, including smart shoppers, still fall into this trap every day. Because we are attracted by numbers, discount percentages, big combos, or the promise of 0% interest. But behind that, there could be inflated prices, reduced quality, or hidden costs you might not notice. And here's the truth. Deals don't save you money. How you evaluate a new deal is what determines that. In this video, I will point out 5 types of deals that are quietly costing you money and 5 other types that are truly worth buying if you know how to spot them. If you see a lawnmower discounted by 90%, the instinct shouldn't be to click but to run. It may sound extreme, but think of it this way. An item worth a few hundred, even a few $1,000s, suddenly discounted to almost nothing. That's no longer a deal, that's bait. You might have seen ads like this: mega clearance Tractor Supply, 90% off today. Click on it, everything looks quite reasonable. The logo looks real, the interface seems familiar, and there's even a countdown timer creating a sense of urgency. But in reality, you are standing in front of a ghost store. You enter the information, payment, and then nothing came at all. Or if there is, it's a cheap, unrelated item. This is no longer shopping. This is voluntarily transferring money to strangers. People often say cheap goods are bad goods, but in this case, the cheap stuff not only goes bad, but also flies away. What is the most dangerous thing? These deals don't target the uninformed. They prey on your perfectly reasonable greed, who wouldn't want to buy something for 90% less. And that's why it works. This deal isn't cheap. It could cost you both money and personal information. If you've ever almost clicked on deals like this, now, you're not the only one. But trust me, behind that there are even more sophisticated legal deals. And if you want to avoid such traps in the future, you know what to do. No need to say much. Next, an even more dangerous type of deal, a free prize, but the cost is anything but free. Congratulations! You just won a tractor or a generator set from Tractor Supply. If you hear this through a strange message or an unofficial website, believe me, your only luck is to delete it immediately. Try to imagine you are scrolling through the internet when you see a post. On the occasion of the 88th anniversary, Tractor Supply is giving away 500 free gifts to those who share this post. Or more subtly, an account with an avatar identical to the store employees will privately message you saying you've won the grand prize. After you eagerly provide your information, they will say you just need to pay a small shipping fee of about $5 or pay a 1% prize tax. Sounds reasonable, right? Winning a machine worth thousands of dollars, but losing a few cents is nothing to worry about. But this is exactly when you fall into the trap. After paying that shipping fee, the prize never arrives, but your credit card information is already in the hands of the bad guys. The elders say it is never wrong. Gifts come with worries and free things come with debts. Here, this gift will make you owe the bank if you don't lock the card in time. Don't confuse luck with misfortune. At Tractor Supply, if you don't scan the card at the counter or on the official app, no prizes will magically land in your pocket. Honestly, I see many older workers still falling for this because they trust the goodwill of big brands. But remember, in this 2026 era, scams have also upgraded to expert level. We have to be more alert than them. Comment below if you've ever received messages like this to see how many of us almost fell for it. And don't be too complacent, because right after this is trap number 3. This item is right in the store on the shelf looking extremely shiny, but is a real heist if you don't know how to read the specifications. Don't let the farm atmosphere and the smell of new wood blind you. Sometimes the discounted items here are still more expensive than the original prices at the store across the street. I'm talking about things like grills, camping gear, or those random accessories for machines. You go to buy animal feed or engine oil, see an outdoor table set or a grill marked clearance, and just grab it because you're too lazy to go somewhere else. This is an example of convenience pricing. Tractor Supply knows very well that you are busy people, but be a little alert for the same model grill. If you go to Walmart or Home Depot, the price might even be cheaper than the discounted price here. To put it bluntly, you are not paying for the quality of the steel in that grill. You are paying for the experience of wearing boots, donning a cowboy hat, and shopping in a space rich in farm atmosphere. That is the price of emotion, not the value of use. Don't go buy a grill at a place that sells chicken feed unless you want to be plucked like a real chicken. Get into the habit of opening your phone, scanning the barcode, and comparing prices in 30 seconds. Don't let the sale label deceive your eyes. If you think I'm right or too harsh, please hit like to support this truth. I know many of you will jump in and say, but I like the vibe here, okay? Feel free to debate in the comments section. I'll be there waiting for you. But wait, if you think you're just losing money because of the high price that's still mild, the next silent killer is what really keeps us up at night because it preys on the buy now, pay later mentality. 0% interest sounds like they are giving you money for free to take the machine home, but in reality, it's a deep pit decorated with sparkling ribbons. You must understand this rule. There is no such thing as a free lunch. When a retailer offers 0% installment payments, that interest rate does not disappear. It is simply hidden elsewhere. What is most commonly seen, the original price of that product at Tractor Supply is 10% to 15% higher than the average. They have already added the interest to the selling price without you knowing. Look at those zero-turn mowers. Paying a few $100s a month in installments sounds gentle on the wallet of a busy contractor. They lure you in with a 0% interest rate to get you to sign a purchase contract at an outrageous price. Not to mention, if you are even one day late in payment, the penalty interest rate will make you cry out loud. If right now I asked you to pay 100% cash for that item at the listed price, would you buy it? If the answer is no, then congratulations. You just realized you are buying that item only because of the financial trap, not because of its value. 0% installment payments are not saving money. They are a way for you to voluntarily chain yourself while still smiling. Don't let the small monthly installments blind you. An item that is more expensive than the market price is still expensive even if you divide the payment into 100 installments. Brothers who have ever bitterly swallowed the pain with these store brand credit cards, raise your hands. Subscribe to the channel now if you don't want to become prey for the sophisticated financial campaigns of the big players. And now the last item on this money-burning list will make the farmers jump because it relates to something we buy every day. Don't be tempted by that huge bag priced at half the price elsewhere. Sometimes what's inside is just trash beautifully packaged. You will see bags of grass seeds or animal feed labeled as budget or value pack. But this is when you need to use a microscope. Cheap seed bags often contain a lot of filler, that is, unwanted weed seeds or empty seeds that make up 30 to 40% of the bag's weight. More dangerously, many types of seeds at Tractor Supply are imported in bulk and are completely unsuitable for your region's climate. You sow them, spend effort watering, fertilizing, and then end up with a patchy lawn or dead grass after a scorching heat wave. With livestock feed, the record low nutritional content will cause the animals to grow slowly, and the cost of medicine afterward will be higher than that of high-quality feed. You think you're saving 20% on purchasing costs? In reality, you just wasted 80% of your own production efficiency and labor. Buying poor seeds is like marrying a wife just because she doesn't ask for gifts. In the end, you still pay the price with a lifetime of stagnation. Don't ruin an entire season for a few pennies. Do you all agree that you get what you pay for? Or if anyone has ever revived the cheap seeds from Tractor Supply, come here and challenge me. I've been criticizing a lot, so you might be thinking, then just stop. Don't buy anything from Tractor Supply anymore to avoid trouble. Completely wrong. If you give up now, you will be the loser. Because amidst a forest of traps, there are still extremely high-quality items, diamonds in the sand, that if chosen wisely, you will save a fortune. There are 5 special items that I always quietly gather before others realize their value. These are the items that even the most discerning craftsmen have to nod in admiration. Don't leave the screen because we're moving on to the gold hunting part right now. The first item on this worth every penny list is actually what gives the name Tractor Supply its soul. If you plan to buy a lawnmower or a grill here, I advise against it, but if it's feed and bedding for livestock, load up the truck for me. Why is this item a bargain? Very simple. This is a repeat demand item. You might buy a tractor once every 5 years, but your chickens or horses need to be fed every week. Because this is a core product, Tractor Supply has to keep the price extremely close to the floor price to attract you to step into the store. Compare the prices of wood shavings or straw bedding here with those at the fancy pet stores in the city. You will see a huge difference. Here they sell in bulk in industrial bags without any frills or embellishments. Livestock feed from brands like Purina or Do More here often has prices that small retail stores can never compete with. This is where they really have to compete. They use the price of livestock feed as bait, and if you come here just to buy this and then leave, congratulations, you are the winner. Saving a few dollars per bag of feed may seem small, but multiplied by 52 weeks in a year, it becomes quite a fortune. Brothers who run large farms surely understand the comforting feeling of seeing a full feed storage at minimal cost, right? Don't forget to hit, like if you belong to the team that just goes into Tractor Supply to buy feed and then leaves. And stay focused because the second golden tip will help you save a huge amount of money that veterinary clinics are quietly pocketing every day. Don't let the veterinary clinic sign burn a hole in your pocket. The same type of medicine, the same ingredients, but at Tractor Supply, its price can sometimes be only half. I'm talking about flea and tick medications, dewormers, or basic ointments and antibiotics for pets and livestock. Why is there this discrepancy? Veterinary clinics often add service fees overhead and consultation costs to the price of medication. Meanwhile, Tractor Supply retails in extremely large quantities. Look at brands like Frontline or Advantage. You just need to read the active ingredients, carefully compare them with the prescription type. If they are the same, why pay extra for the fancy packaging at the clinic? Don't buy individual pills or tubes. Buy a combo for 6 to 12 months. Usually Tractor Supply will have deep discounts for long-term plans, and at that point the monthly cost will be surprisingly low for you guys. Saving on this means you have extra budget to upgrade the barn or buy more tools. Has anyone here ever been shocked to see that the price of medicine here is much cheaper than at the clinic? Comment so that everyone knows, and don't take your eyes off the screen because right after this is the third item, a line of tools that many proud craftsmen often criticize, but with my 10 years of experience, it's an unbelievable bargain if you know how to choose the right purpose. Continuing the list of items worth their weight in gold, we will talk about a name often looked down upon by professional tradespeople, but a silent hero in my toolkit, JobSmart Tools. Don't let the $1,000 toolkits from Milwaukee or DeWalt deceive you. Sometimes all you need is a cheap mercenary who gets the job done. To be frank, JobSmart is not a line of tools for massive construction projects or high-intensity 8-hour workdays. It was born to serve mid-level tasks fixing a leaking faucet, tightening a loose screw, or small weekend DIY projects. The great thing about JobSmart is that it is extremely sufficient. You buy a set of wrenches or hex keys from JobSmart for just 1/4 the price of major brands, but the performance reaches 80 to 90%. If you happen to lose a JobSmart wrench out in the field, you won't have to stay up all night regretting the money. It's not a shiny Ferrari for you to show off, but it's the old reliable pickup truck you need to get to work every day. For skilled craftsmen, the pinnacle of intelligence is knowing when to use high-end tools and when a value-for-money tool will suffice. JobSmart is the perfect choice. I often advise my brothers for heavy-duty items like drills invest in high-quality tools, but for handheld tools like pliers, hammers, or bit sets, JobSmart at Tractor Supply is an incredibly good deal. As the ancients said, eat skillfully, and you'll be full, manage wisely, and you'll be warm. Knowing how to coordinate tools will help you have a complete garage while still having enough money to take your wife out for dinner. Is there anyone here who owns a JobSmart tool that lasts forever without breaking? Share with everyone how durable it is. And don't rush to put away your wallet because the fourth item coming up will be a paradise for those with a green thumb who want to turn their garden into a masterpiece without spending a fortune. Never buy gardening tools at the listed price. At Tractor Supply, the timing of your purchase is much more important than what you buy. The secret here lies in timing. Tractor Supply has an unwritten rule. They need to clear space extremely quickly to welcome the new season. When spring just begins or when the first rays of summer sun come down, product lines such as packaged soil fertilizers and various ornamental plants start to be pushed down to unbelievable prices. You will find that bags of organic soil or processed cow manure often have promotions like buy 5, get 1 free, or discounts based on quantity. I have a great tip for you, which is always check the combo deals. Instead of buying a shovel and a bag of fertilizer separately, look for shelves that have pre-packaged basic gardening kits. Especially keep an eye on the clearance section at the end of each season. That's when slightly faded pots are sold for the price of just a cup of coffee. A little water, a little fertilizer, and you will have a splendid garden at a bargain price. Gardening is for relaxation, not for worrying about bills. Knowing the right timing at Tractor Supply, you will find the green of the leaves even more beautiful than the green of the dollar bill. In shopping, timing is already 50% of the victory. Has anyone ever managed to get a truckload of soil for planting trees here at a price that was both selling and giving away? Come in and confirm for everyone to know which one. And to conclude this top 10 list, I will reveal something that many people often fear, but if you know how to control it, you will be the players on top of the retail corporations. And the last name on this list is something that many people are often allergic to, but if you are a contractor or a true farm owner, it is the key to optimizing all costs. Tractor Supply Credit Perks. Don't be afraid of the store credit card. If you know how to tame it, Tractor Supply will pay for your next shopping trips. I warned you about the installment trap at the beginning, so why am I praising it now? The difference lies in the purpose of use. This card is not for those who occasionally stop by to buy a shovel. It is for those with extremely high repeat needs, those who consider Tractor Supply as their logistics warehouse. When you use this card to purchase feed oil or monthly supplies, you will receive extremely generous cashback or reward points. So when is it really worth it? Only when you have a ready budget and use the card to pay for the discounts, then pay off the balance within the month. That's how you take advantage of their system to get additional discounts on items that are already cheap. But there's one note I need to emphasize: not everyone should use this. If you have a habit of overspending or can't control your cash flow, stay away from it. Don't let the card own you. Use it as a tool to pressure Tractor Supply into giving you additional discounts for your loyalty. That's the level of a savvy shopper. So we have gone through 10 names, 5 traps, and 5 golden opportunities. Tractor Supply, or any store for that matter, they are not a charity, they are a business. My final advice: never step into the store without a specific list in hand. Don't let the smell of wood leather or the farmhouse vibe make you dazed. Remember, a deal doesn't save you money. How you evaluate the new deal determines that. What do you guys think of this list? Is there anything you think is a great deal that I haven't mentioned yet? Let's flood the comments section so we can continue to explore together. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next Blood and Guts shopping secrets. The video is based on personal experience and market data at the time of production, April 2026. Promotional programs, prices, and warranty policies may vary depending on the region and the timing of each store. Always check the information carefully and compare prices before making a purchase. Thank you all for following along now. Let's go hunt for deals wisely.